Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Ford Explorer XLT. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 142,000 miles on the odometer. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.